Good morning, students and faculty. I'm here to remind everyone about the upcoming camping trip on the 23rd of July. It promises to be an exciting adventure for our 10th grade students. Now I'll hand it over to Mrs. Mary Thompson, who will provide you with some essential information and guidelines for the camping trip.
Thank you, Principal. Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled about our upcoming camping expedition. Let's delve into what you need to bring for a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Firstly, ensure you have a sturdy backpack. Inside, pack a sleeping bag suitable for the expected temperatures as nights can get chilly. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the journey. Dress in layers and pack weather-appropriate clothing, including a rain jacket. Sturdy hiking shoes are a must for the uneven terrain. In addition to personal items, consider bringing a flashlight for the evenings, a first aid kit, and any necessary medications. Don't forget a reusable plate, cup, and utensils to minimize our environmental impact. It's a small effort that goes a long way. Now, let's discuss a few things not to bring. Leave electronics at home, or at the very least, use them sparingly. We're here to connect with nature and each other, so let's take a break from screens. Also, refrain from bringing unnecessary packaging and single-use items. Let's strive for a leave no trace experience. Moving on to the rules for the camping trip, safety is our top priority. Stick to designated trails, and under no circumstances should anyone wander off alone. Always let someone know your whereabouts. Absolutely no littering. And please follow the leave no trace principles. Remember, we are guests in the forest, so treat it with respect. As we'll be in a natural habitat, there's a chance to encounter wildlife. While it's exciting, maintain a safe distance and never attempt to feed or approach any animals. We might spot birds, deer, or even smaller mammals. Keep your cameras ready, but don't disturb the creatures. On the topic of insects, we are likely to encounter some. To minimize issues, wear long sleeves and pants and use insect repellent. Avoid scented lotions or perfumes that may attract insects. If you have any concerns or allergies, please let us know in advance. Remember, this trip is an opportunity to connect with nature and each other. Let's make it a memorable experience while respecting the environment. If anyone has specific concerns or questions, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to a fantastic camping adventure.